This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the surface and finger pristine. Oils and dust blur ridge detail. Once done, wipe the sensor and your fingertip with 70% isopropyl on a lint-free cloth. Make sure to set the capture to the highest DPI your device supports. 1000 DPI is ideal for detail. Position the finger flat, perpendicular to the lens, and use diffused lighting to avoid glare. Hold steady or use a tripod for a single, sharp impression. This first capture sets everything else up. You now refine the raw capture so ridge patterns pop. First, convert the image to 8-bit grayscale and tightly crop to just the fingerprint to avoid background interference. Then adjust histogram levels, lift shadows slightly and pull highlights down to compress range, which enhances ridges versus valleys. Reduce midtone noise with a mild denoise pass. Once sharpness matters most, apply an unsharp mask with a small radius and boost local contrast gently. These steps clarify detail without you finish by preserving and verifying the enhancement. Resize or export at 500-1000 DPI and save in a lossless format like PNG or TIFF to avoid compression artifacts. Once saved, compare against the original to ensure changes improved real ridge detail rather than adding noise. If ridges remain faint, make sure to re-clean and rescan under slightly different lighting. Try a gentle fingerprint powder only as a last resort and photograph immediately. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.